Hello, it's us again. You want to show what's on your bag? Gum? What type?
Take one.
I have one.
Oh! Yeah,
What
you got
flavor?
it.
What flavor?
It's pepper spearmint. We got this.
Yeah. Like it zooms in, you can... Hello. See, you can see it.
Go, nice.
Yeah.
Alright. We got our highly beloved Carmex. We can't live a day without it.
Really?
And we got perfume.
Ooh, that's so cool.
We got a dirty phone case. We don't talk about it. What else? We got 2 lip trimmers.
Cutesy.
And we got a bow.
That's cute. Do you want me to do your hair?
You want to?
I can do like a little braid, like this, connecting 2 hairs.
Sure, we got this.
Ooh, that's cute.
And we got this.
What's that?
It's mascara.
Look at the rings. It's cute.
And we got another resinka.
That's tiny. Wow.
Yes.
Look at this.
Yes, indeed.
It's so tiny.
Indeed.com. What is this? I got a receipt. Got to throw this away. Whoopsies.
It's hot.
I know you are.
You did this today.
Twice.
She keeps saying that. We went to... I was going to say we went to Quizlet. You know what that is? We went to Publix.
Girl, you're overstudying.
You know I still have nightmares. Did I miss an assignment?
I had to do school today.
This is my bag.
I know.
Hello, Abby.
Hello. This is Abby. I'm Abby.
Okay. I have this mirror. It's so cute.
Nice. I need a mirror.
I got this.
Ooh.
I need to do something with my eyes because I was running. And then I have this that's literally not there almost.
What
Hello.
is that?
That's lip gloss.
Oh.
And I have like a Anastasia pencil for my lips.
Wait, can I see the lip?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then I have,
It's a pretty shade.
yeah, I have this. Okay. And then I have this. Also really good though. It's also not there. I need to get new. I have this. Maracuja. How do you say it?
What is that?
Maracuja. Oh, it's maracuja.
What is this? Should we put it there somehow?
Yeah, we can sit. Okay.
Hi.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Maracura.
What is it though?
I don't know. It's by Tar.
Maracuja. It is though. Kuha. And I have gum. And then
Yeah.
and I have the camera cap. That's it. That's it.
What do you have? I didn't bring my bag, but
Okay.
I do have
Wow.
EOS lip balm. My sister gave it to me. Oh, bust. And then the original.
Yay. Show the camera.
This is the. Is it not gonna focus?
I don't know what is
there.
wrong with it.
That's the Burns Bees. I actually like it because it's like pepperminty.
Yeah.
Really? I should get the original too. I like it because and like you can feel it in your lips. And then this is an EOS mango. 2
That's
yellow
cool.
things. There you go. Yeah.
That's it. Goodbye. Hello again.
It's us again.
This is so awkward.
Are you recording?
So I'm gonna do my lashes right now.
Yeah.
Enough.
I can't have
It's been marked.
I gonna do? I grabbed the wrong socks.
What?
I grabbed the wrong socks.
Well, that's why you're laughing. This is gonna be on YouTube.
My grippers.
You okay with that? I thought you laughed because I made the look.
Oh no!
But you were laughing because she had that.
I'm telling you, there's a hole. What am I gonna do?
It's fine.
It's not fine. Oh,
You've been affected. Are you okay?
yes. Fantastic.
I think you should turn the camera off because the battery's gonna die.
You sure about that? Look at this gorgeous person. I'll go film around.
Oh, girl. It's yours now.
This is Abby again.
Fine, sitting like this.
This is Katie. And this is you.
Joking. I'm joking.
Okay.
It was just funny. What if it was?
Oh.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you guys later. You guys, we went to Publix. I already said that. Yeah. Look at the web. Chocolate. I mean,
That's
yeah.
snacks.
Girl. Let's go to the mirror. Hello. Do you want to be on here? So cute. Look at those.
Go for it.
Ooh, look at this.
Roses and roses.
This is gonna be a very aesthetic video.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
Nice. That is so aesthetic. We have more matcha too, so like I need to get my matcha from my house, like no, to make it at home. I just feel like I'm gonna make matcha every day. Honestly, it's helpful. Hello guys. What's good?
I don't know how to talk.
Video.
Yeah, it is.
Hi, it's
You were
me. Happy New Year's Eve!
Yay.
2025!
Guys, I took a run today.
You took a run?
Yeah.
Is that how you say it?
I went on a run today. It's bombastic. You go like this now.
Look at this. I don't know how to like talk.
We're
We're gonna eat.
Yes. I'm hungry.
What's the name of it?
Crazy.
I think I just.
You're so comfortable with the camera. She just grabs. Oh my gosh.
Have you ever posted anything?
Yeah,
about
there's
it?
like a few videos. No, this is like Abby, like literally talks.
Is it just your name?
It's my full last name and first. I'll tell you guys later. Okay. I don't want to. Okay, guys. It's very loud. I need to learn how to use this.
We just ate delicious food.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We're gonna. Yeah. Well, we don't have a lot of We're gonna play a game. I think we're gonna put like this thing on our heads, our phones, and we're gonna guess. This is so awkward. I like this door. I don't know. It's so.
How is it dangerous?
No, it's like interesting.
Fly open?
No, it's like very delicate.
Trust funds. Blue eyes.
Okay, guys, bye. So we're taking pictures.
Yeah.
Wait, let's put this.
Do you see both of us like in the center?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yay! My hair is getting way too long.
Girl, it's so cute actually.
Look at you, girl.
Stuck.
I feel like it's grown a lot.
My hair grows really fast.
I feel like from when we were doing home group, your hair was like a lot shorter.
Like when I was younger.
Oh,
I would watch.
sorry for that candid photo.
Thanks for getting all my bad sides.
You don't have that.
You better not be posting.
I'm not posting.
Okay, guys,
I'm not
bye.
posting pictures. I'm posting like video.
I think it might be a little dark.
Oh,
in here.
gorgeous.
What is this? Who is this? She's just like me too.
I used to put in like rice water and everything.
Oh yeah, that
Orange
actually
peels.
works though.
Did it work?
It's still loading,
Now
kind of.
I'm just ready to chop my
Let's
hair
check this
short
one
as
if it's ready
possible.
onto your phone.
It's kind of dark in here. So
Yeah,
it
I
should
think
be
that's
working.
why.
But actually, they look very vintage. I really like that.
The thing is like when it's like light though, they turn out so good.
Hey, that's so cute.
Me posing as if you're taking a video of me.
Sorry.
That's so aesthetic though on the.
It really is.
Oh,
my God.
It's like zoomed in. Hold on, give me a second.
a
I'm gonna
selfie.
zoom it out a little bit.
We're playing this game.
bonfire outside.
Yeah, she said that.
Bat, whip,
Oh.
No, no,
firework.
no.
What is that?
It's
Oh!
Wrong you make.
so. Wait.
You again.
Bro, every time I move the camera, it's on the opposite side.
Wait, I'll move.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Changing light bulbs.
Yes.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Saluting.
No.
Army.
No.
Military.
Close.
No.
Veteran.
No.
Soldier.
Yes. Everything out of the way.
Stretching.
No. Close. It's
Gardening.
Yes. Yeah.
Getting drunk.
Getting drunk.
Is it actually
Thirsty.
What was that? You do it. You do it.
Walking down the stairs. Time's up.
Time's woman.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Who's next? Me? No, I just did it. So you. Which one do you want to do? Acting out? Yeah. Okay. Whatever. No, that's
What? Point at someone. Oh, resolving an argument.
No.
Close.
Resolving a problem.
Yes.
Time's up.
You got
I
it.
knew it.
Wait, let her do it again. Those were kind of tricky.
Yeah.
The flower girl.
Yes.
What is it called? Not
Yeah.
badminton.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
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 It's called frisbee.
Frisbee.
What? Why did you always get those ones?
Mixing.
Like drink.
Yeah. Perfect. You guys, finally we have light. What are you doing?
I thought you were taking a picture.
No, because I don't have much film, so I want someone to take a picture of us.
Let's go to the bonfire.
You go.
Wait, I wonder if I could do all of us.
How?
This
I
is
guess
fun.
There's a timer. Is there a
Wait,
timer?
Bianca,
Look at the pictures. They're so
Can you
cute.
look through the hole to see if it's like, if we're in it?
You guys are
Okay, now all of you guys get in it.
Wow, the camera works so much
without
better.
me.
No, with you too. I just want to see it. Do you see a place where you can get in?
Bianca.
I gotta like.
You guys gotta kind of scooch in a little bit more.
Okay.
But I think if I fit my head like right over here.
Where the camera is?
Wait.
So aesthetic.
That's cute. The little fur ball. He's got like
I think
hair.
that's good.
Okay.
Hold it like this.
The fur ball.
Alright.
Yeah, it's true.
Hold your-
We're back again outside now.
We are, and it's
Yep.
so
First
hot.
time touching grass.
It really is.
I mean, it's
we
like
are-
not that hot, but like when you expect to be outside in the dark, like you expect it to be cold.
Yeah. So what are you guys' names?
Oh, I thought you knew mine.
Well, they know. Although I never post the videos. They haven't edited it.
Bianca.
Yeah.
Lila.
Layla.
Evelyn. Main character.
No, she's not.
Oh. Okay, guys, this is getting a little too personal. This is getting a little too personal. This guy, like, wow. You can't see. Not really. The quality.
Like the quality on cameras is always way worse than eyes.
Byanca.
Oh. Yes, mafia. Not my legs.
Who wants to be narrator?
Anna's pretty good at it.
Byanca.
Oh, Katie's good at it. She makes funny. Yeah, like have
It's like Fortnite.
We won. We won.
get super stuff.
Oh yeah.
Me and Marcus started off last year, but we didn't get Fortnite.
Dude, it was just
Wait, actually, I want to do Mafia so bad.
When are we gonna do Mafia? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that would be crazy if you just like did like a thing of.
The first round,
Skip voting.
like always.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone go to sleep.
Wait.
This guy is so pretty.
Okay, Rocky Marcus.
No, that's what
Unless you know who the
I know, but it's lame when you just skip a vote. It's not as much fun.
I voted for
I
her.
wasn't suspicious at all.
What if
Guys.
Emily's voting.
I
Emily
vote
voted.
Abby?
Okay, Abby vote.
It's weird that
Me vote?
Julian and Abby like that. They said they're friends.
let me think about this.
What is there to think about?
It could be one of them.
It's her.
It's literally not.
Why are you
Wait,
I don't even know what the doctor's doing.
That's crazy.
The doctor's being really selfish.
Wait,
I was innocent.
But then previously you were saying it was the three of us, so make up your mind.
Yeah, well, you guys killed her off.
You're the shit.
No, you guys killed her off because you guys wanted to be like less obvious.
Literal evidence that the doctor is.
That's so pretty.
You're literally saving yourself.
So how is it?
Hi.
Her eyes are just peeking through. Okay, I have a question. Who lies like that on a hammock? Why are you like that? I need to show with flashlight. They gotta see this. They gotta see this.
Me, it's only me.
Look at this position. Okay, we're going home.
Alright.
So we're going home. Oh, inside.
Read the comments.
Julia can look at
This is ridiculous.
Girls.
You guys, look at the camera. Oh, look at the camera.
Oh, it's 26. You guys.
Are we going outside again? I guess.
Wait,
New Year's! Happy New Year's! Happy 2025! Yay!
Okay, are you gonna go first?
No, Marcus is going first.
You guys.
I do not.
Marcus the man.
Okay, bro, here, you go first, I guess.
No, you got it.
How do we go first?
No, if you call me out.
Like, squat down a little.
Squat down.
Bro, I didn't streak with the team.
That's it.
Guys, we're going to the beach
Yeah.
at night.
Can I see the stars?
I have to like put a filter. Like, there's dots.
Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic, Marcy.
Going to the beach.
how it actually looks in the show. Even if it's like super clear, but it just looks clean.
I know, I can't.
You guys. Oh, you better not see us. Oh wait, how do I do this?
Really, let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay. We're like
Stargazing.
You can see the stars. You
Yeah.
can see us. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.